Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will see the introduction of Sequelize. Sequelize is a popular object relational mapper for Node.js. An ORM is a library that helps you to interact with databases using objects. This makes it easier to write code that interacts with databases, as you can use familiar JavaScript objects instead of SQL queries. Sequelize supports a variety of databases, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, and Microsoft SQL Server. It also provides a number of features that make it easy to work with databases, such as data modeling, data manipulation, data querying, transactions, validation, migrations. Data modeling. Sequelize allows you to define your database schema using JavaScript objects. Data manipulation. Sequelize provides methods for inserting, updating, and deleting data from the database. Data querying. Sequelize provides methods for querying data from the database. Transactions. Sequelize supports transactions, which allow you to group multiple database operations together as a single unit of work. Validation. Sequelize provides built-in validation for your models, which can help you to ensure that the data you are entering into the database is valid. Migrations. Sequelize provides a migration system that allows you to easily update your database schema. Here are some of the benefits of using Sequelize. It is easy to use. Sequelize provides a simple and intuitive API that makes it easy to interact with databases. It is flexible. Sequelize supports a variety of databases and provides a number of features that make it easy to work with databases. It is well documented. Sequelize has extensive documentation that makes it easy to learn how to use the library. It is actively maintained. Sequelize is actively maintained by a team of developers who are committed to providing a high-quality library. If you are looking for an ORM for Node.js, Sequelize is a good option to consider. It is easy to use, flexible, well-documented, and actively maintained. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.